Hey guys, today we're gonna talk about the reasons why you shouldn't convince a man to be with you. If you're new to my channel, check out the description box. Usually I leave there links to some of my other related videos, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And without further ado, let's start. First reason why you shouldn't convince a man to stay with you is that you live in fear that one day he'll leave you eventually. Yes, you somehow made him stay with you, be it with the help of different manipulations, pretending to be a better person than you are, trying to be someone else, and so on, but still deep down you know he wanted to leave. And so you'll always have this anxiety that one day he'll disappear. You always wonder where this relationship is going. There's no need to put yourself through that kind of emotional torture. If a man wants to leave, it's only a matter of time before he does. Second one, you don't have to chase him to prove him that you are the best girlfriend he can ever have. He should be your number one fan. He should praise you and be happy that he found you. If he's the man for you, he'll see how amazing you are, and at the moments when you feel down, he'll remind you how beautiful and powerful you are. Do not try to earn his love and attention. If you have to earn it, it's not a healthy dynamic, and in that kind of relationship, you'll always have to prove something. You need to remember that you are good enough. Third one, trying to make him yours will make you act crazy and obsessed. You think about him all the time, wonder why he doesn't reply or where he goes. What is he doing? What he thinks about you? Does he think about you at all? Feeling jealous and losing confidence. You prioritize his happiness and his wishes over yours. You won't be yourself. You'll become this person whose sense of life is so much dependent on a guy. You need his approval, his acceptance and love, and you need it that desperate because you don't give it to yourself. When you'll give yourself love and acceptance, you won't need someone to be with you against their will. You'll realize that it's just not the man you always waited for. It's not the man that you need, because the man you always wanted will be the one who'll celebrate each minute he is with you. Next reason is not being yourself is not fun. When you play in some role, when he's around, you never feel relaxed and comfortable. You overthink everything you say and pretend to be someone you are not. You're constantly thinking about what you should do, thinking about the strategy and tricks to make him want you and to make him stay. Next reason, you have to respect other person's decision. You can't make someone love you and do what they don't want to do. That's just not right. Don't you want that other person to be happy? Don't you want yourself to be happy in a relationship with a man who is 100 in it and who won't give it up for anything? And the last one, you won't be getting what you want out of someone who's not fully in it. Later on, you'll be the one to blame when you find yourself unhappy. If someone no longer wants to be part of your life, why do you want them to remain in it? Okay guys, that's some of the reasons why you shouldn't convince a man to be with you, to stay with you. Let me know your thoughts down below. Like and subscribe. Okay, bye!